Ulang.
Oke. Halo. Ini kita mau buka ini.
What is that?
Ini namanya lampu.
Lampu apa?
Lampu di meja.
Oke.
Ayo kita buka.
Lama sekali. Gunting.
Gunting.
Ini gunting. Bismillah dulu. Tangan yang di sebelah kiri jangan di situ. Tangan kiri awas, tangan kirinya awas. Itu tinggal dibuka. Oh belum. Hah? Ini dia yang mau. Tangan jangan di situ, tangan kiri. Awas. Lama ya. Tuh, tangan kiri jangan di situ makanya nanti kena guntingnya. Wih. Bisa? Udah, angkat. What is that?
Ini lampunya ini. Lampu. Kok ada
Pasang,
dua ini? Oh, ini ada.
pasangnya dulu.
Taruh dia.
Awas itu heavy. Use your both hands. 2 hands.
IKEA ini. Ini namanya IKEA.
IKEA. I-K-E-A. IKEA.
Wow.
What is that?
It's very big. Yay. Very big.
What is that? Can you read? Okay, next what?
Hold on, there's some big instructions.
Okay, that's the instruction.
Let's build it. Let's build it. Let's build it.
Can you build yourself?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, let's. What is another one?
No, not that one. It's like a book. No, it's a book. Book. How do you open a book?
Where is number one? Ada numbernya nggak ada. Number one mana sih? Number one. That's number one. What? Kan number one. Number one. Yang ada number one. Number one. Number one. Number one. Number one. You have to this. Oh, with a screwdriver. With a screwdriver. I need a screwdriver.
Yeah, you need a screwdriver. There's a screwdriver.
In here.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, nggak ada screwdriver.
Pakai yang sini.
Okay, tomorrow we go use the screwdriver. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.